Hi guys, today I will be sharing how to make cherry walnut chiffon cake. For the ingredients we need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 1 1/4 cup cake flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 6 tablespoons of water, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 4 egg yolks. To begin, combine the sugar and the egg yolks. Give this a whisk. To this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and continue whisking until the mixture is light pale yellow. Just like this. We're going to add the oil. And then we're going to add the water. Mix everything thoroughly. Now it's time to sift in the cake flour, the salt, and the baking powder. Using a rubber spatula, mix this until it is well combined. Set this aside while we make the meringue. For the ingredients, we need 6 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 4 egg white. Beat the egg white and add the cream of tartar. We're going to beat this until it is frothy. Once it is frothy, we can gradually add the sugar. Once the sugar is all in, continue beating this until you reach the stiff peak stage. And this is now the stiff peak stage. We're going to add the meringue in 2 additions. So the first meringue goes in. Mix this using the folding method. Do not overmix. To make this cherry and walnut, we're going to need 2 ingredients. So I've got glazed cherries, which is 200 grams, and the walnuts is 1/2 cup. So add the walnuts, chop finely. And then the cherries that I cut in quarters. Again, 200 grams. Finally, add the other half of the meringue. And this is now ready. I'm going to transfer this into a 10 by 10 baking pan lined with parchment paper at the bottom. Do not grease the side of the pan. And then we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. Give the pan a light tap to release air bubbles. And this is what it looks like after baking. Let it cool down completely. To release the cake from the pan, just run a flat angled spatula on the side of the cake. Then take off the parchment paper. And this is the finished product. This is really good. And to cut the cake into pieces, this is how I do it. If you want to easily cut this, put this in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours to have a clean cut. And just to show you what it looks like inside of the chiffon cake. This is really good. I can guarantee that you're going to love this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!